Hello guys, welcome to the video. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpublish your Wix website. Okay, first you need to log into your Wix website and come to your website dashboard. Then you can see settings on the left side menu. Click on that. Then click on website settings. Then here you can see site is published. Also you can see unpublished button. Click on that. Then it's asking unpublish your website. Once you unpublish, your website won't be visible to visitors. You can always publish it again from the editor. Okay, then click on unpublish. Now site is unpublished. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, comment below and hit the subscribe button.